Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a new way that I came up with to encrypt your email so that governments and email providers can't scan your email. So this is an email encryption software I developed that I've called Byte Orbit Privacy Canon. When laws, decency, and privacy are taken, basically, this program is here to get the job done, or try to. So basically, th this isn't software I coded, developed this myself, and it is published in the Microsoft Store. So what you can do is, it says message here, type a message, type your email that you want to encrypt. In here, it'll warn you, clicking encrypt will generate a key file. And instead of a traditional password, if you need to have the specific key file that for that specific message that was generated, and if you don't have that exact same key file, you can't open the message. So instead of using a password, it uses a specific text file for a specific message. That's basically the idea. And yes, it can. I have checked, coded it in, and it can tell whether the key file that's being used to unlock a message is the same one that's used to generate that certain message. And if it's not, then it won't unlock it. So, how to unlock the message once you've generated the key file, and the way that I showed you is right-click on the encrypted message here, txt file, that it generates on the root of your C drive. Right-click Properties, and then where it says Date Created, what you want to do is, let's just pretend I didn't paste that in. I didn't already type that. And just type the time and date the message was created. And then there it is. Whereas if you change the time, it gives you this. That is incorrect, access is denied. Make sure you enter the key format like this, example, right? And I have also added support for email attachments. You need to install 7-zip to use that though. And to do that, click email encrypted message. To attach a file to the encrypted message, click here, and it will lock and you need to install 7-zip, and it will send a command to 7-zip to lock the file of your choice to attach to an email using the same time and date key. But now, I'm going to show you what happens if you try to pull off a clever move. I'm going to try to impersonate the key file for that specific message. Watch what I'm going to do. Copy paste the message from the key file, then delete the key file, and I'm going to run Notepad. Save it. So I just tried generating a fake key file to try to fool the software into thinking I'm the owner of the message and unlocking it for me with a fake key, with a fake pair of keys for that message. And let's try it and see what happens. as you can see, it was able to tell that that was a fake key file, and it didn't. What happened was it was able to tell that was a fake key file, and it didn't unlock the message. So what you can do, I also put in an ability to directly launch your email client and attach the message directly to an email. So what you can do is click email encrypted message, and then if you click launch the Windows Mail client and open your email account from there, what it'll do is it'll paste the encrypted message into an email, and you can send it from there. Is one weakness with the software is that it can't hide the email address that a message is being sent to and received from, because an email service does, after all, need to know where to send the email, need to have the email address to be able to deliver the email in the first place. So why did I develop this? Well, I thought of a password. I thought a password can be easily... I wanted to try coming up with a new system than a password. And so, because a password, the thing is, a lot of people probably don't really need to update them very often. Whereas this software generates a new key for automatically for every single message. So the user doesn't need to worry or think about that as much. And also, even without hackers, even without other people getting into your email, it is worth noting that whatever email service you're using, whether it be one of the really popular email platforms like Gmail or Outlook or Yahoo Mail, whichever one, or your ISP's email service, it's important to note that your email provider can scan and access your emails anytime, pretty much anytime they want to. And this software is meant to make it more difficult for them to do that. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 2190, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.